Hello, it's autumn, and in autumn we have a lot of autumn vegetables. One of them is... sorry about that. Everything should look nice. So one of them is cauliflower, and this is a really simple dish. I have a recipe over there on my cell phone, and I will do it for the first time, so I'm not sure how it's gonna go, what the end will be, but according to the recipe I should be able to do it quite easy and quite fast. So, of course, first ingredient we need is the cauliflower, like 3 small heads. I have some more in the fridge, so in case it's not too much, not enough, I'll just take more. Now, we'll need some almond flour. Unfortunately, I don't have almond, so I'm gonna use a coconut flour. Yes, we can place it here. Next, we need a vegetable broth. Shame on me, I don't have a natural vegetable broth, so I'm gonna use this Galina Blanca. I'm not happy about that, but in this case I have like 3 cubes left, and I really don't want to waste it, but I'm not gonna buy this kind of broth later on. So if you buy for yourself, look for something more natural. Okay, let's take a look at our recipe. Yes, cauliflower, flour, vegetable stock, salt, pepper, here's our black pepper, and some sauce for the end. So let's leave the sauce for the end, and now let's scroll down to the recipe. Yes, so basically I'll just need to mix everything, mix and bake in the oven. That looks really simple. Now let's see, we need 180 milliliters of almond flour. 180. How much that could be? I have no idea. Good that I have something to weight it. 180 milliliters. Let's see, how much do we have in here? 160. Actually, yeah, so it will be like this and a little bit at the bottom, so we don't need this one in the end. Let's take a bowl. Broth, yes, we have to prepare the broth. So for the broth I'm gonna boil some water, because we want it to be in liquid shape, not in this shape. I won't be able to mix everything with this one, or it might not mix very well. So let's wait a moment until the water is boiled. You'll need 180 milliliters of broth. So I'm gonna use this one. Actually, I can use on that one as well, it doesn't really matter. I'll just mix everything in that big bowl. I'll try not to make a mess as much as I can, but I can't guarantee. Yes, we can do like this. I think this will add some more sweetness, and that should not be bad. Let's take it out for a moment. Let's pour the water in here. $180. I think that's about that. Now let's mix so that cube would dissolve in the water. Let's add some salt. Okay, I think that should be enough. Some pepper. So we have, I think, nice consistency broth. Now let's add the flour. and let's mix it. I think maybe I'll need a little bit more water to be added. Maybe a little bit more. I should have used the cup to measure the water, so a little bit more, because cauliflower will need to be covered in this mass and then placed on the baking sheet. So I think it's still not possible to do that, something like that, but I have no idea if this is okay or not okay. I think it should be okay. It should be possible to cover it like this. I will use the paper from my other dish I just made, so I think it's totally fine. And let's try to place everything on this baking sheet and let's try to bake it. Like I said, I have no idea what the output is going to be, so I'll just nicely try to take everything out from the bowl. Actually, I can see there's some left at the bottom, some of our not sauce but the mass we have made, so I will mix it a little bit more. I will really quickly add some sweet potatoes to the same place. We have some space left. I left it intentionally because it should be a very nice addition to this dish. Great, we have our cauliflowers in here. Spread it more. There is a question for you. Should I peel it or should I just clean it like this? I don't know. I have heard that the skin has some nice minerals and some vitamins and some other good stuff, so I'm cleaning like this, but how should I do? Please leave that in the comments, because I have no idea. To tell the truth, I have no idea how it should be and if I'm doing it right, correct or not. So it would be really great if you could share your knowledge about this topic. Maybe I will, not maybe, I will create a video about that, that's for sure, but not now. Now I don't know actually how it should be. And we can place it like this, as they are not too big. Yeah, so I will use this one as well. Okay, a little bit of cinnamon should be enough. Okay, so our dish is ready. Let's try it out. It tastes like cauliflower. Now let's try with some sweet potato. Is it a good addition or not? Yes, sweet potato is a good addition to this dish, but I think, like there was mentioned in the recipe, we need some sauce, because everything is dry in here, because it was in the oven and just the cauliflower, sweet potato. So, or you would want to cook some vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers or something like that, or you would need some sauce, which would be a good addition as well. So I think I'll try both. I'll try sauce and I'll try vegetables, but something you would want to have something a little bit more. So keep that in mind because it's quite dry. Or you would need a bowl of soup or something like that to drink because it's, yeah. But the taste is quite delicious. So I hope this was useful for you, or I hope, well, if you're living alone or not, it's really easy to make this dish, like just mix a little bit of ingredients, pour everything, mix, put it to the oven, bake it a little bit, and here you go. Delicious dish. Healthy, delicious dish. Just don't forget to get some sauce, or you will have to improvise, or actually, like I said, sauce or some vegetables, or both. That would be best, or the bowl of salads, for example. That would fit quite well as well. So, thank you for watching, I hope this was useful. Don't forget to subscribe, press that bell button to receive all the notifications, and see you next time. Have a good meal. Cheers!